Hey guys, welcome back to Mag Airsoft. As you all may know, I've been partnered with Mag Airsoft BBs for the past month and a half. And just a little short review video of their BBs. First off, I want to thank them for partnering and sponsoring videos for me. So what can we say about Mag Airsoft BBs? Price point is fairly well. You even get discounts if you order multiple bottles. Their customer service is just superb. I mean, I hadn't even mentioned nothing to them about an issue that I was told by having BBs shatter, which I mean, to a point, bio BBs will shatter, especially if they hit like face mask or hard objects. I personally haven't had that happen to me or anybody that I've shot while using their BBs. Not saying it can't happen, but if you watch the live stream I've done, they actually addressed that issue and clarified it. I mean, you really can't say nothing negative about them. I mean, it is what it is. Their flight path of their BBs is excellent. I have had not one issue out of their BBs, and I've used several or tried several different bio BBs, and they either broke in my gun or their flight path was just not where I wanted it to be. So, I mean, if you want to give them a try, head over to magAirsoft.com. I think some of their BBs are on order right now for a pre-order. Got some awesome merch, t-shirts, hoodies, beanies, and such. They're in season 2 now, so season 2 merch. So head on over and check them out, guys. You can't go wrong for the price point, and their customer service is legit on point. No complaints from that area from me at all. You know, some companies, you tell them an issue, they just kind of push it by the wayside, or they just don't listen flat out. I mean, this company, they listen to issues or try to clarify issues that may be brought up. I'm currently waiting on some heavier weight BBs to give them a try. Once those come out, we'll do a review on the heavyweight BBs. So with that being said, guys, go over, check them out, and check out their merch. I'll leave their email, not their email, but a link to their website in the description. That being said, guys, I appreciate it. And oh, by the way, check my Instagram. It's under Hillbilly Airsoft USA as well. I do have a giveaway going on right now for 2,000 subs. If we get to that point, I'll be giving away a TAP Mag M4 HPA adapter for Glock, 2 decals from Hillbilly Airsoft, a 3D printed GoPro mount with the base plate to put on your helmet if you don't have the base plate. And what's not pictured there is the 2 bottles of .28 bio BBs from Mag Airsoft that they're going to add to the giveaway as well. Now, the way to win this, or to be entered in a chance to win, is you got to comment on videos, such as this one, like the videos, and be subbed to the channel. If you don't comment, I don't know where the name's going to come from. That's where I'm going to pull the name from for to enter the chances to win, is from comments. So make sure you comment. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you tuning in to this short little review and giveaway announcement at 2,000 subs. That being said, y'all have a good day, and I'll see you on the field.